Welcome to Lesson 7. So in this section we're going to talk about the gates and the gate modes. So we have a section for each oscillator. This is the right side is the modulation oscillator, left side is the complex oscillator unless we change some routings. So basics here. We have three modes. We have a low-pass filter mode, which does filter and volume, which we'll demonstrate. We have a combination mode that sort of splits the difference, and we have a VCA mode, which affects volume without changing the sound. So the best example here is to use the modulation oscillator in sawtooth mode, or sorry, ramp mode, because it's pretty bright. So we'll turn this up. You'll hear as I turn it up, it not only gets louder, it gets brighter when we're in low pass mode. So this is meant to imitate what an acoustic instrument is like. You know, as you play a trumpet, it's darker when it's quieter. Same thing with pretty much every instrument. Guitars are darker when you don't pick as hard. So if we switch down to VCA mode, you'll notice we're affecting volume, but it's going to be bright all the way. So we've got that hissy part of the ramp wave all the way up and down. And then we have combo mode, which is kind of in between the two. Here we're getting some filtering. For me, it feels like the filtering's happening more towards the bottom. So for comparison, here's combo mode. And here's low pass filter mode. Okay, so we also have, here's our volume for the complex oscillator. So same thing as pretty much every other slider. This is sort of the floor, and then this is the variation. So, if our floor is 0, if we add more and more CV control, you get more and more volume. And orange is envelope generator, so I have the orange jack plugged into both of these. And, we can change the envelope to make different things happen. And I just have some pitch going into the complex oscillator. You can do some nice stuff here too. You can hear these voices are not balanced because the modulation oscillator is so much brighter. But if I take it down a little bit, we still hear it, but we're not getting that pingy sound. So that's the basics.